Hi there, and today we're going to have a Wix order tracking tutorial. First, we need to have a text box and a button. In order to do that, let's click on Add Elements and then click on Input, and then we have different text inputs right here. And I want to choose this one, the first one. So let's just align it at the middle and change its settings. Let's just say text, and then we will insert the tracking number right here. Change the type to number so that the text box only accepts numbers for the text that will be inputted by the users. And then for the placeholder text, we can just type here, type tracking number. And then after that is done, we will now add the button. So click on Add Elements, click on Button, and then choose any type of buttons that you want. I will choose this one. And then we'll click on Settings and then change the text into track. And then once we're done, we will now add the functionality into our website. So we will need to enable dev mode. We will turn on dev mode, and then we will click on our button right here. And then what we're going to do is that we are going to use this code right here that uses the order tracker website to track our specific orders. So just copy this, and if you need to copy this code, just pause this video and then go back here and then paste our code right here. And as you can see, we have some errors. We need to change the ID of our specific element. So for example, the track, let's copy this into the ID of our track button. And then for the number tracker, let's change the ID of our text box right here. So just copy and paste the name for the number tracker. And then as you can see, we don't have any errors anymore. So we can now test out our code. So let's just click on test site, and then let's click create test site. And then we have our text box right here. And then for example, I will just type a sample tracking number. Then once that is done, the track button is not opening, so that means there might be a problem. So we need to go back to our website, and then let's see if it has any kind of problem. Let's open up our code right here. And then I think we didn't click on run. So we need to click on run first. So let's just wait for this to finish. Let's close the website earlier. Then after that, we can now test our code right here. So it automatically opened the test site. So now we can type in the tracking number again, and then click on track. And then it will open up another page, and then we will be redirected to ordertracker.com, and then it will process the specific tracking number that we have entered earlier. And that is it for this video. That is the tutorial for the Wix order tracking. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.